started well step by step. It's only $15, and you can make $468 in the first phase. The product is the email autoresponder. You can make $1,440 in phase 2, and the product will be the customizable lead capture page, which is in your back office right now, and it actually does work. You can test it out. It actually works, but there's no, interchangeable backgrounds and stuff like that. You can actually add text to it right now if you want to. And I do know a couple of people that are using it. And then the third product is our product Probiotic Plus, which is a friendly bacteria probiotic, and that is the capsule. The capsule will only dissolve in your small intestine with a pH of 6 to 7. It actually makes it through your stomach acid, which has a pH of 1 to 2. But it's scientifically designed. It's scientifically made to only dissolve in a certain pH, which is your small intestine, at 6 to 7. And so it makes it through your stomach acid, which has been the debate forever about friendly bacteria. You can buy the most expensive friendly bacteria at the health food store, but does it actually make it through your stomach acid? Some people say yes, some people say no. But with this special capsule that only dissolves in your small intestines, you don't have to worry about that anymore. And friendly bacteria actually make hydrogen peroxide. And so they fight off unfriendly bacteria and unfriendly fungus and help keep everything in a nice balance in your microbiome in your gut. Keeps your mood, stabilizes your... these are all things that people say about having a stable gut, that helps you lose weight, improves your immune system, stabilizes your mood, reduces your belly fat. And so all those things you get from the friendly bacteria. And so anyway, the matrix for the third product, Probiotic Plus, is a 3x10 matrix. It's $5 all the way down, and you can make $442,000 in it. So the whole idea behind Well Step by Step is you can pay $15 a month and just literally create an income stream that's almost bottomless. It's not quite bottomless, but $442,000 a month is a lot of money per month, and you can calculate it all out. That's going to be that's the beauty of Well Step by Step. You can log into your back office at any time in Well Step by Step. Any day of the month, you want to figure out how much you're going to get paid. You log into your back office in Well Step by Step, and there it is. It's mixed in. Your commissions are all laid out in the new genealogy, and in there's actually two places that you can look at your commissions. One is the commissions accrued for that month, and then the other one is the new genealogy. It's both a genealogy page where you can see all the people in your downline, and then if you scroll down, it tells you at the bottom of that new genealogy page, it tells you how much you're making currently, with your fast start bonuses of $10 plus your residuals of $4. It's all added together for you right there at the bottom of the new genealogy. And I got my programmer working on the new genealogy right now, and he's going to fix a few things that are in need of repair. Oh, and by the way, and so then we got the 2 free lead capture pages that you can advertise Well Step by Step. And that goes, you can advertise them on the web, and then the people that fill them out, they take the free tour. It goes right to your homepage website. Their information goes right into your back office in the lead database. It shoots them out an email with your website. It shoots you an email to let you know that you have a lead, and they're in your lead database. You can log in, and in your lead database, it'll show you all their info, whatever they left for you, and they have a choice. They can say, I want to be contacted by text, I want to be contacted by phone, or I want to be contacted by email, or all the above. So it's quite unique in that sense. Plus, I was getting to something else. What was I getting at? Oh, yeah, we just added the banners in the back office, but I've been told I need to add the size of the banner. Underneath the banners somewhere, I need to put the size of the banners. Plus, I need to make downloadable links for the banners. But people do like the banners in general, though. They really positive remarks about the banners. They really like them. So I guess I've got to have the programmer make a link to download or insert a link for the banners. So if anyone has any tips on that, that's what I understand right now. So if anyone wants to refine that for me, shoot me an email. And okay, so we got the banners done. We just added 2 more ways that you can get paid. You can get paid through Wise if you're international. So we're moving away from PayPal. We're going to move away from PayPal. It's still there, but I sent out an email asking everyone to move over to Zelle and Cash App. And then for the international people, we've got Wise, and we also have Bitcoin wallet. So that's for the international people. And we just added that this morning. Got that done. Got the banners the other day. We're fixing up a few things in the genealogy, so it's a little better process. And we got a whole bunch of projects in the works, in the pipeline, let's say. In the pipeline, we got a few more projects. A commission log. We're going to have a commission log. Oh, and by the way, we also this morning just got your personals working. So if you log into your back office, you can click on that button now that says personals, and it does work now, where if let's say you signed up 3 people in one day, you're not even sure who they are, and you don't even know these people, but you had your banner out there, you had your lead capture page out there, somebody signed up, and you don't know how to get in touch with them. You just go to personals, and it'll tell you their name, their email, and their phone. It doesn't tell you your whole downline because, not you didn't sponsor everyone in your downline, but it does tell you the people that you personally sponsored. And so we're moving forward with a lot of projects and things, and I'm going to go ahead and open up the phone and see if we have any questions for tonight. Let's see.
Unmuted.
Okay, so the phone is unmuted. If anyone has any questions before we wrap up tonight's call, I know you guys are busy and you don't have a lot of time, so go ahead and fire off a couple questions at me. Anyone have a question?
Adam, this is Richard Daigle.
Oh, hi, Richard.
It's not really a question. I just want to applaud you on all the things that you're adding. You're really adding a lot of value to the site now, and the personals that's perfect. We can get a hold of them through their email or call them. The update system is awesome. The banners are really pop. Really interested in that. And I heard you're going to be adding maybe some traffic sources for the members also pretty soon in the back office, which is going to be awesome.
I forgot to mention that. Yeah, all the traffic exchanges, safe lists, whatever we come up with, we'll put it on there.
Okay. That's going to be perfect. That'll help a lot of people. Who's ever on the call that's in Wealth Step by Step, I just really encourage you to stick with this. This is going to grow. We've got an awesome pay plan. It's simple to understand. Everybody can get paid with it. There's no qualifications or hoops to jump through. We got a very honest, caring owner, who's for the little guy, and you just can't beat this price point with a home business anywhere, I don't think. And those that are considering joining, I think this is the place you need to be. I mean, we've come through the summer slowdown. We're now at a point where marketers really ramping up, and there's a lot of people looking for extra ways to increase their income. And I think Wealth Step by Step is the perfect system for anybody out there. And also a little word about don't give up. I mean, at first it's going to be a little bit slow. You know, you might not see many people in your downline, but if you continue to use the banners, the traffic, reach out to your sponsors and downline to get the help you need, this will grow. And I just encourage you to don't give up. It's like the gold miner of the 1890s who bought all the equipment to get gold, and after about 7 months, digging for gold, he didn't do well, so he sold everything, and the person who bought it dug for 2 feet and hit the mother lode. So, anytime this can happen, this can explode for you. You may be a lot closer than you think. So, continue with it. Keep on keeping on. Okay, Adam, thank you a lot.
Thanks. Thanks, Richard. So, just to sum up, I think the next few projects are going to be a commission log where you'll be able to, look back for the last 6 months and see all your commissions. And then the traffic links. So that's 2 things we got to put in the back office: is the commission log and the traffic links, and we got to fix something on the genealogy. Yeah, so we're getting close, right, Richard? We're getting pretty close.
Oh yeah, we are. We're doing good.
Yeah, to a fully rounded out program here, and. So anyway, yeah, we're doing good, and we're improving. We're getting people to sign up every day. And, back in the old days, you used to have to pay, along the lines of what you were saying, Richard, you used to have to pay like $100 a month or more, and then you'd do that for like 3 months. And you'd be doing that for like 3 months, and you'd be out $500 between advertising and paying $100 a month. And all of a sudden, you're like, wow, I made like $10. I'm out of here. I lost 500 and I made 10. And so with Wealth Step by Step, you can stay in Wealth Step by Step forever at $15. You can stay in a long time. Just advertising, keep trying to find cheap ways to advertise, and just build it up. So
yeah, definitely.
Anyway, we're gonna have a really nice program here come first of the year. We'll have all this stuff done, and come first of the year, we'll have everything done. And so we're moving ahead. And I just want to thank everyone for coming out on the call tonight. And thanks for being here and promoting Wealth Step by Step. And we'll see y'all next week. Same time, same place, same number. All right, so take care, everybody, and we'll talk to you soon. Okay, bye-bye.
Okay. Thank you, Adam.
Okay, thanks a lot.
Thanks.